Hey everyone, my name is Zian and I'm a physics teacher by day and dance teacher by night. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a down to up body wave. Now the down to up body wave is actually easier than doing the up to down body wave. If you'd like to learn how to do the up to down body wave, do check out my video tutorial which is already available on my YouTube channel. So, before we even get started on learning how to do the down to up body wave, first of all, we need to learn how to tuck our lower abs. So what you do is this. Have a slight bend in your knees, so you'll find that your bum is kind of protruding out. Let me just get the speaker out of the way. So you have your bum slightly protruding out, but don't push it all the way out. It's just a slight bend in your knees, a slight push to the back with your hips, and what you need to learn to do is you need to learn to tuck your hips forward using your lower abs. Now, this is actually a really good exercise even for your lower abs if you like to build a stronger core. So you can just practice this all day to strengthen your abs. But anyway, for the down to up body weight. So what we do is we start from this position with our bum slightly to the back. And what we do is we tuck forward with our lower abs. And then you're pulling your tummy forward and then your chest forward. And that's it. That's your down to up body wave. But of course, in order to make it look good, you've got to get it smooth. So, slight bend. 1, 2, 3. If at the beginning you find that it's not very smooth and you find it's very it's all separated, it's very normal, because if you're a first timer doing this and you don't quite know how to join the body parts together yet, well, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get those individual motions. Keep practicing this motion over and over again in sequence, and eventually your body will learn how to connect them all together to make it into a smooth movement. Now, similar to how you would practice the up to down body wave, you can also practice the down to up body wave against the wall. So try to think of getting each body part to touch the wall. So what you want to do is you want to stand as close as possible to the wall, have a slight bend in your knees with your bum to the back, and then starting from the lower abs, this is 1, then your tummy 2, and then chest 3. So again, that would be with a slight bend in your knees, 1, 2, 3. So keep practicing so that you can get it smooth eventually. And that's how you do a down to up body wave. Don't forget to click like, hit subscribe, and switch on the bell notification button so that you can get updates on easy dance tutorials just like this. Happy dancing!